The Google Applied Digital Skills platform has some great features built into it to help students be successful. For example, in the lower right corner of the video player, if we click on the three dots, we have some important options to choose from. You can choose to download the video if students need to view it offline because of poor internet access. We can also turn closed captions on. And another bonus is to turn on the picture-in-picture. The great thing about having the picture-in-picture on is that it will allow the student to leave the lesson plan in order to work on their project. So the student could click on the link in the side of the lesson, and now you'll notice the video came right with the student to that tab. So the student can watch step by step while they complete the project themselves. At any time, the student can click the Go Back to Tab option, and they'll be taken right back into their Applied Digital Skills tab. Really a nice feature. As you and your students work in the Google Applied Skills platform, you will notice the written instructions on the right-hand side. If students need help reading those instructions, keep in mind that this is accessible text. That means it can be read by Snap and Read or any other text-to-speech software that the student prefers or requires. So, to use Snap and Read, you would go up to the Snap and Read extension, turn it on, and then choose Speak from the Snap and Read toolbar, and then click on the instructions.
Go sheets.google.com. Open a blank spreadsheet. Name your
Clicking Speak again will stop the text-to-speech playback. Now, if the person in the video is talking too fast for a student, you will notice there's an option below the video player window to adjust the playback speed. By default, of course, it's going to be normal, but you can choose slow, or there may be some tech-savvy students who already know the basics, and they might prefer to go through the lesson faster than normal. So these are nice options as well. Now, if you go to the bottom left of the video player, there's an option for students to view a text transcript of the video. This is helpful for students who prefer to read over listen, and it's helpful if you need the text translated into another language. One of the best features of the transcript, though, is that you can jump around to different spots in the video. So if a student needs to replay this part and see where to click New to open a new blank spreadsheet, they can click on the text,
click New, and open a new blank spreadsheet.
You can see that just like magic, the video jumped to that step. Using the transcript, playback speed, text-to-speech, picture-in-picture, and closed captioning are just some of the ways to help students be successful with the lessons in Google Applied Skills.